Hey, my loves. Morning. Morning, everybody. How wanna do? How wanna do? How wanna do? Happy Saturday. Be Saturday. Make me wake up glad today, yes, my loves. I wake up glad today. My glad back boss cast today is Saturday. It's the weekend. Lord have mercy. My favorite type of the week is on the weekend. But you know, see, anytime I touch Sunday night, Lord God. Anytime I touch Sunday night after me eat my rice and peas or something whatever me cook up with my rice and peas, I watch my Sunday martini and then eat little dessert in the night hours. They love me stressed out. Me stressed out because Monday I come. Monday I come and do like Monday you hateful, you know we don't like you on a Monday. Monday. Me say anytime I touch Friday evening, me love Friday to count. I don't know well I know how Friday I pay day, but the mountain Friday the pay day. Me love that Friday there. I love that. And my favorite Friday in the year. Me love the mountain Friday when paycheck I go run. But you know see anytime I come out to Saturday, I went Saturday done on Sunday morning now when you look now and see you have to go wake up the 4:30 the middle of the morning past Monday. God, I will make you do it so. You know me, I go blame him for that one, yeah, because everybody did in at the garden, and he did, me did it to be love. And we never have to work so hard. We did enjoy ourselves with Adama until he met that serpent now come down there. Come pack up our head with all kind of horse, then comfort her jackass maga and make sure go pick the apple. And if me did that, she would never pick that apple go get eat because I would have tell her do not travel that apple, you know. And from he do them there's something there. And what did go along again? They say by this sweat your brow you shall eat bread. You understand a woman shall have pain when they have it, baby. If you put with you all of them something, yeah, you know. He make you wicked so. Anyways, no, my loves, yes, make I get in the video now. I don't want to talk anything more about Adam and Eve because talking about Adam and Eve, them upset me because of them make we go through all them something here. You understand? Anyways, no, my love. Boy, Massa God, God. Massa God, God. God in the morning. God in the evening, Massa God, God. Amen. So, my loves, you know, say this is part of world you no safe again. This is part of world you know, feel safer right now. Me feel like I say me long overdue. For all of the newcomer them we just come subscribe to my channel. For all of the newcomer them know what other no know. You understand? When it reach certain time, when the heat turn up on the streets of social media, my loves, me always, you know, get me little spaceship full up your gas and me go. Me either go Mars or me go Mercury, go visit, you know. Me gingeration them up there and cool out little bit for avoid all of the drama them where take place. You understand? So me have no one friend up on Mercury. Him name Freddie Mercury. So my mind run pan him last night. I don't know if anything happened to him and we don't know. Say anytime your mind run pan somebody, you know, must go check pan them. So when me look and see how walk along, you know, me I look into it and I say, boy, a long overdue. From me park the spaceship the last time I don't left here again. You understand? So I feel like I say no, you know. I go and just put little gas in it and go for a while. You understand? For me due for a visit now, me long overdue. Anyway, now the reason for this now, me love. The reason for this. Then somebody, when I know somebody now who couldn't come here, come tell me, say, Elderly Mac, Elderly Mac, that a Maxine faster now, me love, who couldn't come here, come tell me, say, she turned bad girl overnight. Master Harley, while me I carry the tour with them, can't tell me. Sometimes you can not tell me the tour with them to you know. For all the time, me know. You understand how me risk my life all the while for no how risk my life all the time for no. And imagine no. If Elderly Mac now she turn bad girl overnight, me dear, because I never know say she got a soldier school go study kung fu ship and karate ship. For she come out strong like a Samson and the Israelites, them and the Philistines, them and the Egyptian, the whole of them together come out strong. She and them come out strong for Lady D admin them, me love. Me say, what a bangarang. Then Maxine, I war galang with you now, ma'am. So, me loves, After me die now, because no know say Agnes not too hearty, because when Lady D did a fling this stone them after the blogger them here say the one did catch her in her knee cup and one catch her upon her shank bone. So she was so hearty. So me go over there now say me I go dress this the cut upon her foot. So can remember now say me granny used to have one little remedy back in the days where used to work very good. You understand? She get the young banana and she scrape it off and scrape it off and then she sprinkle little cursing oil upon it. Yes, me dear. And put it and bathe off the foot now and put it on it. So I hit me go over there now, me get some boiling water and I bathe off Agnes foot and I dress it. Even though when me have the foot now over the lamp, you understand? You know, remember the buckle torch them are one of them minute have. So me have the foot now over it. You understand? If you burn out the germs out of the sore. So when I have the foot now over the lamp now, I wasn't paying much attention because me kind of distracted by something. So now the foot catch a fire again. So the injury now get worse per Agnes. So no keep Agnes in our no prayers. You understand? Keep Agnes in our no prayers. Anyways now. I bandage up the foot now and I left say, you know what, me not ready to go home yet. Make a just walk the streets of social media and see. Go check by me social media neighbor them and see. Wagalang. Because bad to bad Agnes still want to hear Wagalang and me want to keep her up to date. You understand? Because I'm a friend like that. Yes, me love. Anyways, now me dear children, when me a walk now Wagalang and a galang, me hear one loud quarreling sound. So, me I said, but how that sound like a Maxine, so I could have who trouble her. Bad to bad now, a long time me not really hear from Maxine because true she start do the little maglarin something. So me I say, it look like say she a work on her maglarin career. So me I say, but tan a long time I do hear her mouth. I could have anyway now me say, make I go look for see if anybody go over there got trouble Maxine now. And if me can have a little assistant or call the popo them, you understand? So now, by the time me reach little closer up to Maxine yard now, me love, uno no know who for name me here she a call. Lord God, I don't want to call nobody name here, you know. I don't want to call anybody name over here, you know, because when you call people their business, you are getting a trouble. So, but me love, me know, say me can't trust you no fi tell you no anything, I don't know, go back, go say me say, you understand? So I can't tell you no. I don't remember, you know, don't go back a roadside, me live, so no, I go hear all kind of thing, a pass, and hand, a blow, ignore it, you understand? You know, so anything me tell you no, me I go want, no go back, go tell a soul. But anyways, no. No, a fool for name now me here. Maxine, she, I call up over the Hackos half. Lady D. The lady down at 99. We be at the cake them and she do the charity something. Yes, me love. That and the admin them. Yes. So now, as she me, so me I say to, me I say no say, then how Lady D and her admin them could have got trouble Maxine and do to her for bad to bad a long time I do hear Maxine mouth. Anyway, no. When me gathering in a my little gatheration now, you understand his that now. Maxine now have contents on her page when it belongs to her. She take it on half a Lady D page me here. So they admin them now if you ever like I said them a pass Maxine yard. Look over there and they look where them look now they see the contents over there. So them go over there go threaten her and tell her say if you remove Lady D contents and if she don't remove her, them I go fling a strike on her. Yes, me love her so you go so me here. I saw me here. No, me loves the tell where them tell the tell where the admin them tell Maxine that no member no do want go back go say me say you understand. Yes, so they tell now where them tell Maxine that he never sit right with Maxine. You understand? Maxine now take it lightly. She vex. She upset and she cut up about the whole thing. You understand? Because now she said. Even if Donna no give her no permission, it look like I say, when me I get funny now, she still have rights to her contents. You understand? Because she say that Lord have mercy, I don't want to call no name, no man. Lady D. She said, no, Lady D, drag her through social media. So you look like I said, now the drag where she said, Lady D, drag her through social media. She have rights to the lady contents. So no see the piece of audacity and the piece of brightness. So now me love. Anyways, no. Me loves no. Maxine now take it to her platform and I kick up a piece of rumpus over there. Me say what? And many rumpus she kick up over there, my love. I'm not lying. If you don't believe me, God believe me, me kiss the cross. I'm not telling any lie. She kick up a lot of rumpus over there. You understand? I don't know hear what she said. She say, if the admin then think say, them bad, strike her. Me say when me hear she that me love me frightened. Me say but Rastafari. But Maxine done bad girl overnight. I never wear no say. As so Maxine bad me head start grow me love cause me in a shock. So this shock when me get in a shock now me try to compose myself because when me get in a shock or any little coma when me hear anything you understand self always throw water upon me and me raise up back. So self never did that so me try to calm down myself and hold me composure. And me love she say she not move it. She say she not moving it. You understand? And bad people thought them there, you know. Oh, and she say if them think them bad, take it on. She say if them think them bad, Papa Jesus, take it on. Because as according to her, Lady D give her permission to use her video them. She say, admin, I dare you. I dare who know. So me love, she say, if the page gets strike, she a go up the 11th step with the whole of them. She not take it lightly, master. She a carry them in the courthouse. For she have things against Lady D. And so she say, me love, what a piece of bangarang mens with Maxine. Me loves no. She say she up in her feelings. But the thing is, you know, Maxine, me no understand. Maxine, me no understand how you feel. Me no know how you feel throw a tantrum over the people them belongings, Maxine. Remember no feel content, you know the woman content. Maxine, that is very rude, ma'am. Very, very, very rude, Madam Maxine. You fling out a whole heap of threats when me listen to you, you know, Maxine. You fling out a lot, ma'am. So no, me loves, that I know the worst part. Hey, oh Lord have mercy. Me loves that I know the worst part. You don't know the worst part now? I don't know now who tell Lady D say how that Maxine a going with over her yard. And Lady D not take it so light neither. She take to her life. And she sent out her warning. She said, anybody we are use our contents, take it out. Remove it. Cause she not beg for nobody, you understand? She tell her admin them strike. And anyway the admin them go and see anything that belongs to her, them to strike. And the admin them obeying. You understand me, my loves? You know understand? She say her for somebody she did give permission to use her contents. She called two of the name them and she not call two. You understand? Because she and them they two they not really. And so she only call two name. And the four name when me hear she call, Maxine name no calling her it. Hey! She say she only give Maxine permission to use one dege video, not all of them. One dege video. I don't remember when them did go up a Port Royal, me love. Down at the glorious fish place there so and them did a eat big fish together. You remember? Yes, she said only that the video that she gave her permission for use and because and say she did in the video is not the whole of them. So if you ever like a say no, Maxine no misunderstand where she say and think of the whole of them. Or she have a right can't take down any one of them I use. You know understand? You know follow back at me. You know following the story. Yes. So I do remember now if at the time. You remember when Lady did take off her slippers and give to the little boy who did I sell the chocolate them down at Port Royal. I trying to remember if at that time I go try go back down in a memory lane to see if at that time. You remember? And she did take off her slippers, sell off the little boy chocolate them for him and take off her slippers and give it to the little boy and she walk barefoot at the same time. I do remember. But that the time they know she and Lady D they are Port Royal and them a eat fish and a makeup and the makeup where them did a makeup down there now, a lot of the plankers them never sit well with them for them they cup catch up in their feelings to and a kick up rumpus. Lady D never forget back in a Maxine company base of everything where did go down. I mean no holla what did go down. I can't go in them the history there again. You understand? Yes. But if you ever like I say no from when me I gather from the little gatheration when me gather is like I say. But even though no them forgive each other and then go on with them say, but to me no, it no look like I say Maxine really Lego. After some of the things, them if you Balakash say she still a carry a whole heap of hurt after what really go down. Cause enough time you hear she come out and she mention little something. So she not really get over all of that. You understand? So me loves based on when me I watch and see now I observe Lady Dina and take back her word. She say admin fi strike and she mean it. Admin say them a go strike and they mean it and she not beg for nobody. She come out and she put out her final warning. Uno remove me contents. But obviously no. The Maxine she not take it without a fight. You understand? She going to fight this now. She all say. She even said that I know Lady D alone she got carry her court if them strike her channel. She say, Auntie Paula in it, Lady D in it, all who are 99 will thief her money. So I don't know who are 99 they take her money, me love, but if you ever like I said that the courthouse going to be very full. Courthouse going to be very full, poor little Auntie Paula. Poor little Auntie Paula, where Auntie Paula get herself into no ma'am. Where Auntie Paula could have do for elderly Mac no care Auntie Paula go drag down in a courthouse now man. Merciful Father. My granny used to say Jacka say wall no level, you know. And the wall really no level. So, me love it look like I say no, show down out figure long. Show down out figure long, massa. For Lady Dina and take back her word. And Maxine, she now back down. She very determined, say. She not going down without a fight, me love. So, this I sit down and watch the outcome and see what is about to happen. Anyway, me decide, say, I don't want to listen no more. Because me start catch my afraid, you understand? So, I leave. Anyway, now the left, when me left now and walk off, me a think and you know, me did I think and now me I remember now how Lady D now, you know, she come out the other day so strong and she stone all of the bloggers them and say she don't want no defenders of the hurt. I me did I walk and think. But same time, you know, me mind run cross pan where she name again? Madam Ladana. Same time, you know, me mind just but me I say but tan. A few little days well I don't see Madam Ladana, you know. I wonder if everything is alright with her. And I say, you know, I make her walk over Madam Ladana yard go see if everything is alright with her for a few little days now from the whole incident and everything that went down with she and Lady D. I do hear a word from her. You understand? So I walk now across the border and I go over her yard. And me loves a good thing say when me I walk, me lift my foot and not draw my foot because they walk with a trait in her, me go back up on her veranda, you know my loves. Me have to dodge back at the corner. I want tree. So that she no see me now. Because me see her motor go up and down. So me I say look like attack, she attack. So I go back a 1 tree now and take time crawl go up back to the shoe block. Them don't know the shoe block edge in them. I take time and I crawl go up there now. And I dey so me turn and listen. I dey topic now she depend. When Lady D come out for the blogger them me love. And she so like she a gloat and she did a rejoice. She so happy. She happy me loves. She dash out a lot of things, my love. She dash out whole heap of sound massa. But then, when I didn't want to think, I say, what ton? Then how all of a sudden, no, Madam Aladana now just feel like I say she fit come out. Because I don't see her here from her for the past couple of days. And all of a sudden, she come out today. Anyways, now, she said, Where she fi say? You understand? She say all of where she did fi say, my love. And then she come out. Guess who she come out and defend me, dear children? She come out and defend now Madam Curly Locks. Yeah, yeah. She come out and defend Madam Curly Locks, me dear. And when she did the attack, you know, me love me here. She keep on a refer to one specific blogger, especially one blogger in particular. One. So me I said then that the one blogger they are who? That the one blogger they be. And then she said he's a woman. And me did I think no, but one woman cross me, but I do want spread no propaganda. You understand? I do want spread no propaganda, so no do ask me who me think. But if you ever like I say no, if you ever like I say she and that one blogger there, or she a carry some vengeance for that one blogger there, that one woman blogger there, I don't know who it is who, so no do ask me as me tell you already. But she don't like that one blogger there at all. Uno now go tangle me up in no hand's nest. Uno now go tangle me up like a goat rope. I don't know who is who. I don't know who is that one blogger. You understand me? So uno tap fidget. For me call tell you who me think. I don't know. Alright. But no one part now when she did the attack, that part they lick me, you understand? Then uno did no say Madam Ladana cuss bad word. Me say Papa Jesus, when she chipped the piece of bad word, instantly me cough out. Me love a good thing said. She did a talk loud so she couldn't hear. Me have a duck fast in case she hear a hole up her head. Me love her cough out, her frightened. For me I say, then Madam Ladana did no bad word, me love. She cuss one bad word we say, Ras. Master God forgive me. She cuss one bad word we say RASS and I cuss it because I do want God sin me. You understand? But she cuss one out that bad word. And it shot me because me I say, but I never know say them the word there in a Madam Ladana mouth, me love. Who no did know? She said the people them get up every day and defend Lady D, right? Where the RAAS uno defend and that type bad word when me spell me love. As me tell you, I don't want God facing me. As I want to go through that pearly gate, you know, so me working very hard to go through the pearly gates, you understand? But yes, me dear, she come out and she bust it up all over left, right and center, me dear. And she dash her words them. But Madam Ladana man, come here man, because me hear everybody get up and talk about defending Lady D. But Madam Ladana, it's not all about defending Lady D, you know, ma'am. It is just speaking the truth where we see it fit. You understand? I don't want to lie me, I tell you so. We are speak the truth, which part we see it fit. And Madam Ladana, ma'am, you're not innocent, you know, mama. You know within yourself to yourself, so you're not innocent. You're this a single out for yourself out there whole light and a chat everybody else. You're not innocent either, mama. The whole of we come out and chat and fly with mouth. Some people agree with we and some don't agree with we. But a part of life, you understand? And everybody are going to agree with we. Some are going to agree if you disagree, you understand? And some are going to come to a mutual understanding. Not everybody is going to agree. You understand? So in that case, you're not a single soul, no innocent. For the whole of we a chat, the whole of we a labrish. So even though now you now come out in our defense now, Madam Ladana, but you used to use for your content, so you know they just get up a chat about using the human content. Remember, so you used to use it too. You used to use it too, man, so tap go on so. Tap go on so, man. I learned to speak the truth and speak it. How I go to speak the truth? Learn to speak the truth and speak it, ever speak it what it will. That's how you go, my loves. For the same thing now, when who know accuse the little blogger them and say no about them, say them I use Lady D for content. So no, I do the same thing too. I do the same thing too. Not because bill off for her already, I wanna reach our destination, now wanna come out and talk up the things, them who fi disrespect, who fi just walk away. But done bill already, I gone, no mean say who fi come attack we now. Do the same thing to man. So unfair man. Me no like unfairness, you know, me loves. I don't like unfairness, man. Them unfair. For them come out, no one attack all like little tiki them like myself. We are come up and them never remember say them a did tiki too. A hustle. Eh? You don't never remember so no the tiki to an house. You no top show off no man because you no reach one big partner one thing. And you no ride off of the woman and no use the woman. That enough how no use her. You no use the woman now no branch off and gone in no different area. You no come a context a panel tiki them. You no fit care out man. Uno figure out. Anyways, my love, I go spoil me Saturday, you know. And I go spoil me Saturday. Me I go rest all day today. Me I go rest me weary back or something and I go and sleep. And so, I will see you no little more for now. You understand? I was no me not think me I come back today, you know. I'm not coming back today. So no take one no get to no make sure full no belly now. And who no like the video yet? Who pa ya don't like the video? Who pa ya no like the video? I have the salt water, you know. I have the salt water for sprinkling now. No, yeah, like a sprinkle, like a mere water land grass. You understand? Who pa you not like the video yet? Make a wait. Oh, everybody like it. Oh, no lucky. Oh, no lucky for I don't know. Me not like Trace. Oh, no, you know. Oh, no, me not like Trace. Oh, no kind. Oh, no generous. Thanks for liking the video. I appreciate all. Oh, no big up on yourself. Enough love and appreciation. And manners and respect. You understand? Yes. So big up on yourself. And have a wonderful and a productive day. See you all soon. Mwah! One big kiss for the whole hour. No, me no know how it was. You no don't fight for you. No take it. Pinch a little.